By now, many of you will agree with me that UK immigration laws are very erratic and they are subject to change, and there are always updates on the gov.uk website. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be shedding more light on the update that was released on 11th of April regarding care workers and care workers dependent visa. Apparently, many persons have been asking that will carers now be able to bring dependent, because there have been so many information even on YouTube. Many YouTubers have made content regarding that care workers can now bring dependent, while others are saying care workers cannot. This has really made many persons confused. I've gotten a lot of questions on this, and this is the reason why I'm creating this video. Perhaps you fall into this category and you are quite unsure of what the update is. I've made my detailed research and I'm going to be sharing with you all of those with this video. So join me as we uncover the details. Welcome again to my channel. For those who are meeting me for the very first time, my name is Victory Nkuka, and with this YouTube channel I share about UK immigration update like the one I'm going to be sharing with you now. I also share about visa sponsorship jobs that can help you come into the UK. I share so much about relocation and settling abroad. If these are content that interest you, kindly hit your notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload any videos that will be of help to you. And tap on the subscribe button to join this community for free. A million thanks to all my returning subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing. God bless you. Now to the full details of this video. On 11th of April 2024, the UK government released an update on immigration rules. And the appendix that many persons have been misinterpreting is the appendix that affects the skilled worker visa. So basically what they actually stated there is that the skilled worker visa is a short route to settlement, which you already know. For instance, if you relocate to the UK on a skilled worker visa, after 5 years, you'll be eligible to apply for your indefinite leave to remain. So guys, as stated in the gov.uk website, this is the appendix that affects skilled workers. Like I said earlier on, that the skilled worker route was being explained that is a route that allows people to settle in the UK. So it's a route that allows employers to recruit people to work in the UK, and a skilled worker must have a job offer in an eligible skilled occupation from a Home Office approved sponsor. The previous video I posted was on the requirement for a skilled worker visa. If you want further details, you can check out that video. Reading further, it was stated that for the purpose of this appendix, the health and care ASHE salary job means a job in one of this SOC 2020 occupation code. Now look at the occupations that were listed. The occupation code 1171, health services and public health manager. There's a reason why I'm reading this out, so that you don't just focus all your attention on only two categories. These are other jobs you can look out for on Indeed and apply for. 1231 healthcare practice managers, residential day and domiciliary care managers and proprietors are under these ones, and they are saying that if you get the job, you can come to the UK with your dependent. Another group is biochemists and physical scientists, laboratory technicians, dispensing opticians, pharmaceutical technicians. Now look at this code 6135, care workers and home carers. Take note of this. So it's under the ASHE, care workers and home carers. Then senior care workers also were included here. And the condition is that to be able to bring your dependent, you need to either have been employed by an NHS Foundation Trust, an NHS Trust, a Care Quality Commission, Health Education England, and a number of them which was highlighted on this website. That's if you are in England. But if you are in Wales, you need to be employed by a local health board, a health education and improvement board. If you are in Wales, it's only these 5 listed sponsors that can sponsor you, and you'll be able to bring your dependents, the local health board and the likes. If you are in Scotland, there are still a couple of them that can sponsor you. They've just outlined the sponsors that can bring you to the UK before you are able to bring your dependent. That tells you that if you are applying and you get a job with these sponsors, okay, you'll be able to come to the UK. There's a common question I keep getting each time I upload a video, and it's from different persons, and this is the question. They ask, if I get a care worker visa, which the COS was issued after 11th of March, and is an NHS trust, will I be allowed to bring my family over? The latter part of this update explains that, and that's the reason why you need to continue watching even till the end. They also went further in the same document to state the requirement any family member or a dependent needs to apply as a dependent of someone on a skilled worker visa. That's the document I think many YouTubers did not read through. Frankly, if you just read this first part of the information, it can really be misleading. This other document I'm going to be showing you now is the document that most people did not read. So pay rapt attention so you can get every single details of it. Look at what was stated about the validity requirement for a dependent partner or dependent child of a skilled worker. I won't bore you with so much of these details. I will go straight to the part that you need to see. And that's the 29.1. They said relationship requirement for a dependent partner of a skilled worker. So these are the relationship requirements. To be able to now apply as a dependent and get your visa approved, the applicant must be the partner of a person where one of these following applies. One, the person must have a permission on a skilled worker route. For instance, I had a permission on a skilled worker route and my husband applied and they granted him the visa straight away. So you need to have a permission on that skilled worker route. Two, another thing that can make them grant the visa is if the partner of the person at that time is applying for an entry clearance or permission on the skilled worker route, or if the partner is settled, you can apply. Now, after stating all these, they came down to the section 29.1a. They stated clearly on this session that you cannot apply for a dependent visa of someone on these occupations. The first one is the shortest occupation code 6135, care workers and home carers, or 6136, senior care workers, or this other occupation code 6145 or 6146. So basically, in summary, if the primary applicant, which may be your husband, your wife, if the occupation code are 6135, 6136, 6145 and 6146, their dependents cannot apply. It's actually not an exciting news. It's very important that we get this right. Within the same ASHE, there are other occupations there. You have the lab technicians and the like. You can actually apply under them and you'll be able to come with your dependents. Further clarity on this is that the only senior carers and care workers as at now that can bring dependents are the ones that were granted entry clearance or permissions as a skilled worker under the rules in force before 11th of March. So dependents of carers that have been in the care setup before the 11th of March can still relocate to the UK if they are not in the UK yet. And if they are in the UK, they can remain in the UK and they can extend their visa within the same shortage occupation code. The only person that are restrained is the ones who are getting this visa after 11th of March. I'll leave the link to this in the description box so that you can see it as well. Within the same document, they also clearly stated that this applies to a child also. Let's say you are getting a care worker visa, you won't be able to bring your child as well as your spouse. So they all fall under the same category, except you have been in the UK working as a carer before 11th of March, okay? Or you may not have been in the UK, but you got your sponsorship or you got your visa before 11th of March. So that's it, guys. If you still have further questions on this, please use the comment section and ask your question. I'll be more than happy to support you in the little way I can. The essence of me making this video is just to make sure that you are not misguided with the information that are flying up and there. If you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Watch out for my other videos. I really do understand that it's not a very palatable situation for you to relocate to the UK without your family. I know it's disheartening, frankly. UK laws are actually erratic and they are subject to change. If there is an update on that, I will still be one of the first to share to you because it's something I'm looking forward to. So hit your notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload any video that will be of help to you. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly share to as many you think that it will be of help to. I will see you all in my next video. For the meantime, stay blessed. Bye.